Hey dude, what's the Red-Headed Rebel?
I mean, we're a lot of things. One thing in particular, tonneau covers.
Tonneau covers? Hey, I've always wanted to know, how weather tight are truck bed covers?
I tell you what, weather tight, water tight, I'd say. I've never had any issues with mine.
The rain get in there? How about when you go
No.
through the car wash? Does a bunch of water get in there in the car wash?
I put any kind of stuff in there, any kind of valuables, tools, electrics, whatever, no issues.
We'll prove it then, because I'm a skeptic. I don't know. I think a bunch of water would get in that bed if you go through the car wash.
Prove it?
Yeah.
Like,
I'll drive your truck through the car wash, you ride in the bed, and you film if it's watertight or not.
you know what? You're on.
All right, so are you ready to put your tonneau cover through the car wash test with you in the bed? So you're either going to be soaking wet?
100%.
All right, let's do it. Hop in there. And I'll try to drive your truck nicely. Punch in the old passcode. So, might be a little dark in there.
Oh, I forgot. It's a 5-footer.
But hey, maybe fire up your phone so we can get an inside view.
There we go. Thank God for bed lights, right?
You know, this could be my once-in-a-lifetime viral video here. So here we go.
Later.
All right. So,
Here we go.
oops, hold on.
You ever ask yourself,
Punch in the old
how do I get in these
car wash
situations?
code here. Which, they're always hard to remember. 803-681.
803.
I think he's having trouble with the code.
The wash is currently busy. Please wait.
All right, well, we gotta wait. Hopefully my new friend, he's got a nice truck here. Hopefully my new friend is doing all right.
When entering the wash, make sure windows are up, drive slowly, and follow the instruction sign.
It's giving me instructions. I wonder if this car in front of me got the budget wash.
I hear the dryer.
Box.
The other car's going out, I think.
Wash. Oh, here we go. The old tonneau cover car wash test.
Oh, pulling in. We're pulling in. Oh,
That could have been bad.
the car wash is much louder from the pickup bed. So far, so good. Park job getting adjusted here.
All right, here we go.
There we are. See behind me? Here we are. All things considered, I think there are worse things to do with an afternoon.
Boy, I wonder if it's hot in there. It's probably hot up there.
All right.
The old light code. So that's
First spray's
much.
going. So far, so good. Oh, hold up. Lost the light there for a minute. No worries. First spray. Rinse cycle
We're gonna get the blasters now.
complete.
Let's go.
Nothing yet.
Let's blast it.
Oh, now the high pressure's coming. Oh, sorry for the light there, folks. Nothing. This is really going to be the test here. They can make it through the high pressure. Show you right along here. Nothing so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Another round of high pressure. is not, this is no joke. These things are serious. Seriously amazing.
Quick car wash.
Not a drop. I wish we could figure out the lighting a little better in here, guys, but you can see nothing behind me, nothing along the walls, nothing. Nothing.
I don't quite know what's going on now. Oh, it's doing rants. Kind of a light rants.
I think there was someone behind us that saw me crawl inside of this thing. I wonder what they're gonna say. I think that's the wax. Yep.
Alright, here we go.
All right. What did I tell you? Nothing. Nothing to worry about.
I'm just gonna try the old man cover and look at what it's like right there. The old man cover. Oh yeah, car wash this. All that water flying around.
Look at that. Nothing. I was right.
All right, how'd we do?
Bone dry. I
Bone-
told you.
All right, I guess we better go to Dairy Queen and get you a little ice cream cone, buddy.
Awesome. Sounds good to me.